Real estate is a battlefield. High marketing costs, unpredictable cash flow, and market volatility are constantly working against you. So, how do you stay ahead? You need a battle-tested strategy, one we use all the time in the United States Army. That's why today I'm showing you how the military decision-making process, MDMP, combined with ChatGPT, can help you turn profitability pressures into strategic opportunities. Watch as I break it down step by step and prompt ChatGPT to generate actionable solutions. Take time to pause the video to see the results from ChatGPT from this session. It provided insights I had not thought of before. Nonetheless, let's dive in. In our analysis of the real estate industry, one critical challenge stood out: profitability pressures. High marketing costs, irregular cash flows, and volatile market conditions create a constant strain. This issue impacts agent retention, commission structures, and overall financial stability. Using the military decision-making process, we broke down the problem into actionable parts. We examined mission variables, analyzed enemy and friendly forces, and developed multiple courses of action. For profitability pressures, our top solution is a hybrid technology integration COA, with human oversight ensuring personalized, effective customer interactions while cutting costs by 20-30%. ChatGPT helped generate these insights, guiding us through each step. Implementing our solution is straightforward. Pilot phase: introduce AI-driven market analytics with select agents and provide comprehensive training. Expansion phase: integrate digital CRM tools and automate routine tasks, while ensuring that agents retain control for personalized service. Sustainment: continuously monitor performance with real-time KPIs and adjust strategies based on feedback. These steps empower you to cut unnecessary costs and drive efficiency without a one-size-fits-all system. By integrating the military decision-making process with ChatGPT, you can transform profitability pressures into strategic opportunities. Ready to lead a lean, efficient real estate operation? Like, subscribe, and visit my Linktree for more exclusive insights. And don't forget to check out my book, AI-Powered Strategic Thinker 3. Thanks for watching, real estate professionals. Let's innovate and succeed together.